Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 7th. I am your teacher Mushtaq Ahmed at Beria Foundation College, Noshara Firoz, subject teacher computer. Dear students, in last lecture we studied about computer. That computer is a digital machine that understands data in digital form, while human being is known as user or the programmer or the operator of a computer that understands data in analog form. So dear students, whenever data or the instructions are given to the computer by the users, they are needed to be translated into a form that computer can understand. But dear students, in today's lecture we are going to discuss some forms of data. There are three types or the three forms of data that we will have to discuss or define here. Number one is a numeric data. Second one type of data or the second one form of data is alphabetic data. Third one form of data is known as alphanumeric data. So dear students, there are also types of the data that are used in computer. But here in your book there are three types of data that are discussed and we are going to explain them on book page number 15. Dear students of class 7, here there are forms of data. So dear students, in your book there are three types of data that are numeric data, alphabetic data and alphanumeric data. So here first of all we are going to discuss about numeric data. That numeric data is known as type of the data types that consists of digits and the decimal points. So dear students, whenever we are going to enter some values based on numerical form or decimal point form, this type of data is known as numeric data. So dear students, numeric data consists of digits and decimal points. And second one form is based on alphabetic data. Alphabetic data consists of letters of alphabet. Alphabetic data consists of a fixed set of alphabetic characters from A to Z. Dear students, alphabetic data is also known as characters of the English alphabet or the characters of any alphabet. So these are known as the alphabetic data. Dear students, whenever you are going to enter the spell of any word, any sentence in which you can use the letters of alphabet, so total the data written or typed into an alphabetic form is known as alphabetic data. So dear students, here we discussed two types of data and now we are going to define third one type of data, that is alphanumeric data. Alphanumeric data consists of letters, numbers and other special characters like iterate, hash and percentage. So dear students, whenever you are going to define alphanumeric data, you will have to concentrate that alphanumeric data consists of letters, letters of alphabet, even numbers and other special symbols like iterate, hash and percentage. So dear students, alphanumeric data consists both numbers, letters of alphabet and other special characters like hash, iterate and percentage. So dear students, when data is processed, we get information. So dear students, data is also raw material. Data is also known as an input. Whenever user is going to give some instructions to the computer, these are known as data. When are given or typed instructions into the computer are converted into a meaningful information and displayed to us on the screen, This one is known as information, or this one is known as an output. So dear students, computers process data after converting it into the digital form. Whenever, dear students, we